share my screen. Let's go to the share screen, find the course page, and start over. This is our main course page. When you log into the courseware, you find this page. In the left part, you see here the main menu, home, announcements, assignments, discussion. Home is where you see the course modules, some most recent announcements. In the right part, you see to-do list, that is your homeworks, course stat, and calendar. Our main focus is here. The course modules are arranged as you see. You can fold or unfold the course modules by clicking in this tiny triangle here, this tiny black triangle here, and unfold the modules. Currently, first and second modules are presented. We are now in this second module, introduction. No. We are in now. We are completed first and second module. The course introduction module that contained many preliminary material, such as linear algebra corresponding to chapter 2 of the book, probability and information theory basics corresponding to chapter 3, numerical computation and limitations of floating point computation in computers in chapter 4. And here is a Python course that takes you through the beginning to the most advanced functions of Python in data mining. The second week, the second module that corresponds to week 1 of the course was Introduction to Machine Learning and Neural Networks. We presented 2 lectures in this part. Lecture 1, Machine Learning Basics, and its continuation in Lecture 2. Supportive materials that you should review and study are machine learning course videos, machine learning, some web pages related to the topic of machine learning, and you should do here an assignment, exercise number 1, ML applications. Exercises are part of this course. As you see here in the assignments, let's take a look at the assignment and their syllabus. Exercise is part of the assignments and contain a notable part of your final score. Here you can see all of the defined assignments, and here you see the assignment by the containing module. Furthermore, you see the to-do list, the works you should do in your curriculum of this course. Here, once again, you see that exercise number 1 is presented here as a to-do list. Currently I logged in as an student, and I want to show you how to do and submit the assignment. Let's go to the assignment, to the exercise number 1. Here you see an explanation of the assignment and its properties. It's due is Monday 11:59 p.m. That's midnight of Monday. That is 2 days remaining to this due date. It has 10 points. And the submission type is a file upload. That is, you must prepare a file in response to this assignment and upload it to this one, to the assignment in the place that is provided for you. Let's do it. For example, I prepared some Word files, some PDF files, or some other type of load document, and did the requested job. Here you see an explanation of learning algorithms, what is a learning algorithm, and what is its parts, what are its parts, T, P, and E. T is task, P is performance estimation measure, E is examples that are used in training the algorithm. You are asked to name 5 ML applications and determine their respective T, P, and E. Explain how you collect data. You may name any application you like. For example, you may focus on face recognition and say that in face recognition task we are to identify a face image and find its identity, the person who the picture belongs. T or task is identification of the images, face images. P, performance measure, is something like the rate of incorrectly labeled images, incorrectly identified person images. E or experience is a set of labeled face images labeled by the person identity, that is, a picture belongs to Ali, another one belongs to Taghi, another one belongs to Zahra. These are all examples of pictures. I asked you here to explain how we collect the data, where the data you are using this algorithm comes from. You may collect the data yourself, you may download some data set. Please use more stable internet connection. Are you okay with Skype? Are you okay with Skype or Google Meeting? Google Meet? Anyone here, are you okay with Google Meet or Skype? I can present parallelly in Skype and Google Meet. My internet is very good. I hope yours be good as well. Okay, let's continue. Explain how would you collect the data. That is, you may collect data by asking some subjects to pose in front of your camera. You take pictures and label the pictures with their subject's identity. You may use an internet. You may use a data set published on the internet. You may use a picture of famous people, for example, actors, players, and so, and collect the data from the web, collect the pictures of these people from the web, and generate your data set to train the algorithm. That's it. Let's submit the assignment. When you try to submit the assignment, you get something like this, a file upload form. You choose file. For example, I choose this file, and you might write here some comments. This is my report, and you submit the assignment. Wait the file to upload. It's submitting state. When the assignment is submitted, you see here that the submission time may take some time according to the size of the file is uploading, according to your submission file size. You must wait it to complete the upload. You see here that it is submitted now. You may click on submission details and see the information related to your file. You may resubmit the assignment. Yes, resubmission is allowed. You may resubmit the assignment. For example, you notice that the assignment is incomplete, you misinterpreted or misled in doing the assignment, and you prepare the file once again and upload it in this area. That's it for submitting the assignment. Any question? It must be clear. So, some simple file upload form, some simple procedure of uploading file. You may be familiar with it in submitting in generic internet pages, uploading and attaching files to your email messages, and so. Okay? Give me feedback. If it's okay, please write one of, or if you have any questions, please raise hand and ask your question. You may write your question in chat box. Okay? Okay, please give your feedback. If this is it is clear, if the whole procedure is clear, if now you understand how to submit the assignment, please write a plus sign here at the chat box, and we will go on with the course. Please check the course page at least once a day, and notice the announcement, notice the to-do list. I have no new items in my to-do list since I did the assignment here. Please note here, I have no to-do list. And if I leave the student view section and go back to my teacher page, I will see here as a teacher I have a to-do list for this course, grading exercise 0. Exercise. And this is your submission. For example, this is Nejud Faisal submissions. I see this is Muayyad submission, and this is the test student submission. For example, I give him 10 of 10 and submit the score. The score is submitted. I give him some comment. You did it perfectly. This is test student. You must use your own knowledge to do the assignment. Please do not use any resource. Please do not. If you get an insight from another resource, not copy paste, get an insight from a source, please cite the sources. Please refer to the source. I must see the title of the source in the references section. You can get an insight, you get some guidelines from internet sources, but do not totally copy paste the answers from other sources. Do it yourself. And if you used any resources, please cite the sources. If you used any resources, please cite the sources clearly so can I find the source easily. Let's go back to the course page. And I once again go to the students section, and here after evaluating by me, here you will see grades section. In this grades section, the graded assignment information will be displayed. Assignments are weighted by group weight, exercises 10%, programming assignments. This is the main syllabus of the course, and you can see here that exercise 01 ML applications is scored 10 out of 10, and you got total points of the course. Albeit this is for the test student. I will study your submissions and grade them, and you will see something like this in your grade section. That's it. Let's get out of here. Let's get out of here and go back to course page. Any questions? Any questions? If you have a question, please raise hand. If you do not have a question, please write here something that you have not any questions. You have no questions. No question. Thank you. This concludes the first part of this session, that is the short walkthrough on the course logistics. Let's get back to the course. Let's terminate this part of this course.